Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel India Gate. This is Nandini Sharma. In this session of TOC, we talk about normal form of context-free grammar. There are two type of normal form, that is your CNF and second one is your GNF. Now before starting of this session, if you want to get tricks, tips and important point with solving problem, so please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for all notification of my new videos. So let's start. What is the normal form? Basically normal form is used for simplify and apply condition on restriction of the left hand side of the CFG. So it is categorized into two parts. First one is your CNF, second one is your GNF. CNF is called your Chomsky normal form and GNF is your Kravach normal form. So come to the production rule of those. So production rule of CNF: for any context free grammar in the form of A produce BC and A produce A, and other in the form of GNF, any CFG in the form of A produce A alpha or B gamma, where alpha and B gamma is belong to your variable clean closure. An important point is that for any given epsilon CFG only we can construct an equivalent CNF or GNF CFG. Now come to the questions for more clarification of the terms. So first question is construct an equivalent CNF CFG for following grammar. So grammar is here given as well as your production. So it is your CFG. Now it is converted into the CNF form. So according to the CNF form, A produce B, C and A produce A. So here S produce BA, which is not in the form of CNF. Now we convert terminal B into the CB. So S is produce CBA and C produce B. It is your first production and C produce B is your second production rule. Now come to the another. S produce AB. So after the A terminal is converted into the CA is produced A. So here we got S produce CB CP as third production and C produce A as a fourth production. Now come to the another. Here A produce BAA. We know that CB is produced B. So after the translating the B terminal into the variable CB, we got A, and we know that only double variable are used in the CNF, and here going to 3. So it is also broken into two parts. So one is A produce CBE and E produce AAA. This is your fifth and this is your sixth production. Now move on solving another productions like A produce AS. We know that A is converted into the CA and we got A produce CAS as a seventh production rule and A produce A, it is your eighth production. Now come to the B production. Here B produce ABB. Now it is also converted into the form of the CNF. So B produce CAF and here F is produced BB. Now it is your ninth and this is your 10th production. Now after come to the B also produce BS. So B is converted into CB variable and B is also produced small b. So it is your 12 and 11 production. So total number of production is required on here using of CNF is equal to 12. Now move on next question. Construct an equivalent GNF CFG for following. Here production is already given and we know that in the form of GNF A produce A alpha, where alpha is belong to your variable star. So replacing S by its production. So when we replace the S its production, we got this production rule, and A is also get A or B, A or B, and we know that B is produce B. So this is your. Now come to the another question. Construct equivalent GNF. Here S is given as A as B or epsilon, but in the form of GNF. Here A produce alpha, A alpha. So here alpha is your variable, but here terminal is also used. Now this terminals B is replaced by variable B. So we got this production rule: S produce A, S B, A, B, and B produce B. So this is your CNF form. Now move on another question. If G is an CFG and W is the string of a length N in LG, means a language grammar, how many long are derivation for W in a G if G is a CFG? So in the given solution, we know that in CNF A produce B, C. So total number of terms here is n minus 1, and A produce A. So total number of terms is n. Now, so the length of the derivation of W string length n in the CNF, we add 2 terms. After the adding 2 terms, we got 2n minus 1. This is your correct answer. Now this session is end here. I hope you understand all the points. Thank you for watching.